So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my visit to Manchester, how it went. Although I didn't really vlog, guys, but I just want you guys to know how much I enjoyed Manchester. Okay, so I went with Diamond to Manchester to visit my friend, and oh my god, it was lovely, guys. Oh my god, it was a memorable day. It was a lovely day, and it was nice and sunny. Oh my god, I love Manchester. It's so lovely, guys. You need to see. There were lots of people outside, sitting outside. We were just having loads of fun. Oh my god, the most exciting part is that, guys, I had amala and gbegiri soup, guys, that I've never had for years. Like, guys, I've not had amala and gbegiri for a long time, guys. And my friend made me amala and gbegiri, guys, amala, gbegiri, and ewedu soup. Oh my god, you guys, you don't know what I was feeling. You don't know what I was feeling when I was having this amala. It was so sweet. Oh my god. I enjoyed myself in Manchester, guys. When my friend made this amala for me, guys, you guys will. The reason why I traveled to Manchester was to go and eat amala and gbegiri soup. She invited me and said, come on, come, let me make amala for you and gbegiri soup. I traveled down, guys, this amala, eh? Hey! I visited my ancestors and came back. This amala got there. He got down there, guys. I won't even lie. You see this amala, eh? I cannot describe it. It's just like all those yabuka amala. Oh my god. I want to use this video to appreciate my friend. Honestly speaking, this means a lot to me. Like, you guys don't know the last time I had amala and gbegiri soup. Like, we are talking about 15 years ago. I'm not even joking. 15 years ago. And for me to eat it again, it means a lot to me, guys. I decided to share this video with you guys. If you see the assorted meat, eh? Hey! Assorted meat in this amala and gbegiri. Oh my god. I said I got to heaven and I came back. Eh? This is her. She was topping up the meat. Hey! She loaded it with meat. Assorted meat. Oh my god. I balanced, eh? I balanced. I ate. As I was eating, I was praying for her because this amala was getting down there. It was getting down there. I needed it. I have been hungry of this amala for quite a long time. And guys, for me to eat it again, it means a lot to me. I don't know who is out there watching me that can understand the feelings. I've not had amala for a very long time. This is me, because I didn't even, you can see the way I was doing my fingers because I didn't even know where to start. I'm like, it was very hot though, but I was digging it. Oh my god. Did you guys see my face? Did you guys? Oh my god. This amala got down there. You guys cannot understand the feelings. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was eating it. I was shaking my head. I was like, eh? Hey, am I eating amala again after so many years? Although I've eaten amala here, right? But I've only been having it with okra soup. I've not been able to have it with the main ewedu and gbegiri, the way it is designed to be eaten. You understand? That is the feeling, the buka feeling of the amala we are talking about. Oh my god, it was getting down there. It was eating me. It was, oh gosh, when I finished eating this amala, eh? God. Even at the middle of eating the food, I was already feeling dizzy. I said, hey, if I hit the bed, you guys will wake me, eh? You will try all your possible best to wake me before I will be able to stand up. To God be the glory. It was successful. I had fun, guys. I had fun. I get to see, my fellow blacks. They were just all over everywhere. They were, my God, there were a lot of them. Man, I cannot describe the feeling. I can't. I just said, let me do this video for you guys to see. Eh? As I was eating this amala, God, I was praying for my friend. Look at me. Everything I was saying was just prayer. I was praying for her. I was praying for her. You know? Oh my God. We made this amala, eh? Oh my God. The soup, the gbegiri soup, it was just top notch. It was just exactly how the buka people in the restaurant will make it. It was just so lovely. Guys, hey! So I want to say a big thank you to her because oh my God, it was lovely. It was lovely. I had fun and I'm going to visit again because of this amala. I'm going to visit her very soon. Again because I've not had enough. I want to eat a lot of amala. I want to load my tummy with amala. Amala is my favorite food in Nigeria. Amala is my favorite food in Nigeria, and I'm so happy that I've been able to eat it again after so many years. And I thought I should share this video with you guys. Look at me now. I was so happy. I told Diamond to taste it. She has never tasted it all her life. I told her to taste it. She tasted it, but it's like she didn't really understand the feeling. She didn't really understand it because she didn't grow up with it. You know, we grew up with it. We understand the sweetness in amala. We know the sweetness. We know the feeling. Look at me. Oh, I was praying. Oh, I was praying for my friend here. Praying and eating. Look at me. I was feeling tired. I want to sleep. I want to go to bed. Oh my God. God bless you, sweet friend. God bless you. She really tried for us. We felt at home. We really enjoyed ourselves. And Manchester is a lovely place to be. I'm not even going to lie. And I can't even wait to visit again. It's a lovely place. Oh my God. And this is me after I've slept and woken up. This is me, oh. And here we are just coming back home successfully. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.